guys, what's going on? Kunal here, Bulls on Wall Street. A lot of you guys have been asking about the crypto chat room, what goes on in it, what type of style we've been trading. It's been really, really interesting. We started this in the middle of September. We've had about 60 trades, give or take, and the win ratio has been pretty good, a lot more wins than losses. I think the one thing that's been really good about the service is usually when I do take losses, they've been more rinky-dinky, 2%, 3%. I did have this 7% loss, but for the most part, they've been really, really small, and we tend to keep some good-sized gains. But overall, I think the interesting part of the crypto service has been that we have this amazing chat room that comes with it, where these guys are out here really, really making moves all day. You can see, like, even at night, and no matter what time of day it is, these guys are out here posting ideas and trading. And to be on me, there's some really, really good traders. This is a pretty good service in terms of just trading cryptos. If you have weird work hours and you want to kind of trade more at night, or if you can't sit there during the market open. I know for me, when I was working, 9:30 is when the market opens, and that was also kind of the prime time of when my job would be starting, in terms of morning meetings, and so I'd always miss the open, and so I could never trade. The cryptos they run really nice at night and then really early in the morning, and then even throughout the day you'll start to see some different shreds going on. But this is a Slack. It's the chat room that we use, and essentially how we run the service is, I have an alert section over here. In real time, I'll be posting the alerts. Slack has an awesome iPhone app, so you'll get notifications. Also, the alerts are emailed and texted to you. We do a mix of day trades and swing trading. In crypto trading, the one thing you will notice with all the trades is that, even your day trades are a little bit longer. In stock trading, because you're trading the market open, you can get those kind of quick flushes within a few minutes. In crypto trading, I use a 15-minute charts. So, when you're looking at the crypto trading, this is BTC. So we're in this trade right now. These are 15-minute charts, so they happen a little bit slower, right? So if your flag pattern is like this in stock trading, that could be a 5-minute pattern, where this is really a 1-hour pattern, or even a little bit longer. This is helpful in a few different ways. For some of you guys where the speed of the market is a little bit overwhelming, this can be helpful because it slows you down using those 15-minute charts. That will allow you to overtrade less, but also be able to manage the trade easier because you're using a longer time frame and you're zoomed out in that kind of way, where trading in stocks can be a little bit tat. The disadvantages, I think, are in stock trading, which is still always going to be my love, is I can trade 15 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day, right? I trade the open and I'm really fast, but most people can't move as fast as me. But we're always trying to teach everybody. But I can move really fast. I'll make $1,000 in 15 minutes every single day, right, during earnings season. Where in crypto trading, if I'm watching this flag and it breaks out, you can get a nice rip, but these are 15-minute charts. You have to hold them out a little bit longer, right? And this is another flag pattern that we're kind of watching right now and taking part in. Well, this has been taken, this will take a little bit of time, right? And so these are kind of the different ways that some of the patterns work out. But overall, we've had just a nice start to the service. It's been a learning lesson too. Our first probably week or so, my timing was a little bit off. Just like with any new service, I'm trying to get a feel for the members. How aggressive should I be or not be? And I've kind of found a healthy balance of between throwing out too many alerts and not enough alerts, and the altcoins and the mega cap ones. there's always been just kind of a little bit of a give and take like you do with any service. Sometimes, I was just talking to one of our members the other day, and he's like, hey, let's speed up the aggression. And, the market was a little bit slow last week, and then I was out of town in London, and I said, hey, I could throw out as many alerts as you want, but doesn't mean we'll make any money on them, right? And that's kind of the balance of, running a service, and then, of course, managing expectations for customers and stuff like that. And I always try to, have a good balance of that and make sure that the sole focus is on making money and education, and trying not to force the issue. But it's been a cool run here, and I'm excited to do this because I'm a night owl, and so hanging out with these guys at night, and just talking stocks. You see 9, 10 o'clock, people are in here, talking shop, and I think that's kind of cool. Gives us a little bit of something to do. Yesterday I was watching the Lions game and then the World Series, and we were trading Ethereum and Bitcoin, and so it's kind of fun to have a little bit of something to do at night also. We are running a special on annuals right now for our crypto service. You guys should check it out because it's a great addition to what you're already doing. If you're stock trading with me already, this is something that you can do at night. It's a little bit different style of trading. It's not necessarily one's better than other. It's just different, right? And, you guys will really, really enjoy it. Feel free to ask me any questions. As always, Wednesday, I'll be on YouTube Live trading cryptos, and we'll get this party started. Take care.